So hello everybody, my name's Miriam Production. I'm back again with some Alone. So, I sort of, turn that down a bit. I sort of have a clue what I'm supposed to do right now. I'm hoping that Alone doesn't come for me now. Something here, I think it was. Stay over here. Item. No, was it not here? Oh no. Should be up here. There was somewhere that was a bit off. Pause it a second. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, actually I have to click on the page. Save it here. Okay, I did some stuff. I found out there's a secret place. And I have to, what's this? 259. Oh. You cracked me up then. I will admit that. Now I'm going to continuously die on it. Make straight for the door. Run away. I don't even know where to go. I can't even see where I'm going, bro. Seriously, someone help me. If I die like 2 more times, I'm just gonna skip it. Don't even know where I'm going. Don't even know anymore. He's gone. Right. So now, I need to go in here, don't I? And turn the circuit on. Ugh! Damn it! Oh, he cracked me up there. Oh man, my heart's racing right now. I don't think I can take this so many times in a day. It's like it isn't fair on me. Damn it. I don't know if I can. Oh my god, I'm just gonna go. Don't know where he is. Oh, he's there. Okay, now save it. Double save. Don't like this. I really don't like this guy. I hate this guy. Actually. Yeah. It's fair to say I hate this guy so much. Get out! I can see you again, bro. Yeah. Come on then, fight me. Oh, I don't think he's happy. I'll try 8151. I knew it was like 151 something, but I didn't know it was 8. Huh? Where's the secret door then? Oh wait, was it not in? It was here. down. This was the diary. The diary. Do I need Mr. Chair? Where's the chair gone? Oh wait, was the chair in the other room? I'm an idiot, I swear down. Herpadope. I think I need the chair. I can use it as a defense and all against him. Just block him, just like, you can't get me. Can't touch this. Can't touch it. Can't touch it. Anyway. You can't touch it. Can't touch it. I should stop talking, shouldn't I? Yeah. Apparently I should have got this ages ago, so. No! No! There we go. It's gonna appear in it. Oh, what's that? Whoa. Clear space. Double save it here. Item diary. 9521 plus 2598 is going to be there, isn't it? No, it's not. And I'm sure someone said you have to flip them over. Like, so it'll be 8652 plus 1256. I'm literally looking at this upside down. So that's 9, 8, and 9908. It's not actually. Pause it a second. Oh, I'm a stupid boy. Okay, so what was the answer? 9908. So flip it over. 8099. Or not, you know. Oh wait, 6608. No. Finally, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no, wait, click on the screen. I did it. What is this? Oh, not the annex, really. Double save. Just because I know he's going to come out. Ugh. This is where Santa Claus comes to die. I also think that's trash. I'm leaving that room. Oh! That's where Santa Claus comes! Run away from Santa Claus! Santa Claus! I love you, Santa Claus! But not in that way. Wow, that song, Santa's going to rape me. It's raping time. And there we go. That's how you run from Santa Claus. I really hate this game, actually. I never thought it'd be so creepy.